If you're looking for a complete Germany World Cup 2026 preview, this video is for you because honestly, whenever Germany enters a World Cup, they're automatically considered one of the most dangerous teams in the tournament. Even after some difficult years, Germany remains one of the most successful national teams in football history with 4 World Cup titles and a tradition of performing on the biggest stage. So let's take a look at what Germany brings to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. First, Germany enters the tournament with a talented mix of experienced players and exciting young stars. This balance could be one of their biggest strengths because they have players who understand the pressure of major tournaments, alongside younger players capable of changing a game at any moment. One of the biggest reasons for optimism is Germany's attacking talent. The squad features players who are comfortable controlling possession, creating chances, and scoring goals against top-level opposition. Germany has traditionally been known for its organized style of play-strong midfield presence and ability to dominate matches through intelligent movement and teamwork. Now let's talk about key players. Some of the names many fans will be watching closely include Jamal Musiala, whose creativity and dribbling ability can unlock almost any defense, as well as Florian Wirtz, of the most exciting attacking midfielders in world football. Germany also has quality throughout the squad, including experienced defenders, technical midfielders, and dangerous attacking options capable of competing with any team in the tournament. Now let's discuss expectations, because when Germany plays in a World Cup, the objective is never simply to participate. The expectation is to compete for the title and reach the latter stages of the tournament. However, the competition will be extremely difficult, with teams such as Argentina national football team, Brazil national football team, France national football team, and Spain national football team also expected to challenge for the trophy. One area Germany will need to improve is consistency, because in recent major tournaments, they have sometimes struggled to maintain their best level throughout the competition. If they can stay organized defensively while taking advantage of their attacking talent, they have the potential to go very far. Another reason fans should be excited is Germany's history in World Cups. This is a team that has repeatedly shown the ability to perform under pressure and produce memorable moments when it matters most. Now, let's be honest, writing Germany off before a World Cup is usually a mistake, because few nations understand tournament football better and few teams possess the same winning culture. So to summarize, Germany enters the 2026 World Cup with a talented squad, world-class young players, strong tournament experience, and realistic ambitions of competing for the trophy. The big question is, can they turn that potential into another World Cup winning campaign? We'll find out when the tournament begins, because honestly, Germany is always one of the teams every football fan should keep an eye on during the World Cup.